How to view sensitive content on X Twitter. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open up now your Twitter app like this X, now tap on your profile at the top right side. Go to settings and private and support. Go to settings and privacy. Then scroll down and go to privacy and safety. Then go to content you can see. Then tap on this sensitive media. So from this option here, it says graphic violation. So tap on it. So by default it's 1. 1 means that if sensitive content shown to you on Twitter, they will like give you notification or warning like this content is sensitive. So if you want to just see the content, tap on this show all. Tap on this back again. The adult content again. Tap on this show all. Back. Then other. So tap on this show all button. And tap on this back. So now you enable to see sensitive content on your Twitter X. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.